How to use this
precision screwdriver set powered by RT Commerce. 117 pieces in one toolkit and magnetic memory pad. Everything will be packed in bubble pack. Instructions insert. Magnetic pad. Let's open the toolkit. Opening picks. Suction cup and SIM card remover pin. Ergonomic and magnetic handle. Extension rod. Handle with rotating cap. Flexible extension shaft can work while bending. Pry tool. Drill key. Sharp tweezer. Plastic pry tools. Let's check on 98 bits. Magnetizer and demagnetizer. That's how it works. More picks. Thank you for watching. Link in bio.